Welcome back. You're now looking at the pricing page for MailChimp.com. And one of the things you'll want to keep in mind about how you choose an email service provider company is how the pricing is going to fit your overall business. Now, MailChimp does have a free plan in order for an individual to get started. However, their free plan does not allow you custom branding of their content, nor does it allow email or landing page templates. So again, if you're just looking for a free plan to get started, you will be able to get started with MailChimp. However, the platform will be limited in terms of what it is that you're going to offer. And the free plan allows you up to 500 subscribers in order to get started. One of the things you're going to note is that there are limits to this particular plan. So for example, you'll notice here that you have a monthly email send limit of 10,000 emails on the free plan. For every other plan, you have a multiple of the number of contacts that you have. You're going to want to keep this in mind depending on what your business model is. And you're also going to want to determine what your pricing will be based on the number of subscribers that you have at any particular time before you choose MailChimp as your autoresponder company. You're going to see a different kind of plan with Aweber. So for example, one of the things you'll notice is that there is no sending limit and that the pricing is going to be based on the number of subscribers that you are going to have, depending on how you're going to pay monthly, quarterly, or annually. Aweber does have a free plan also, which starts up to 500 email subscribers and gives you some features that you may want to compare with the other autoresponders that you're looking at to start your email marketing campaigns. And so you'll want to look at these features depending, again, on where you are in your business. And again, if we look at GetResponse, you're going to see very similar plans, very similar features, very similar plans, structured differently. And again, some of the parameters are going to be different depending on how many subscribers you are going to have. So again, regardless of which company you choose, make sure that its features and its pricing fit your overall business model. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.